Played okay, shot 2 under. Probably didn't play as well as I did on the first day, but sort of hung in there. Made a few bogeys on the back nine, but made a good birdie on 17 to get it back to 9 under, which was I don't know, pretty happy with it considering that I had pretty poor form coming into this week. Tomorrow is going to be it's going to be tough. There's a lot of guys from 9 under to 6 under, so um, if you're going to come away with a win, you're probably going to have to shoot still 3-4 under par to have any chance. So hopefully I can sort of get back a little bit of the form from early in the week and hit some good shots. But yeah, today was a little bit of a struggle ball striking wise, but yeah, hopefully tomorrow I can put together a good round.